So we're first going to open the WAMP server. Now the WAMP server is open, and what we're going to do is we're going to open the local host. So once this is green, we're going to go to any of our browsers, and we're going to open the local host. So we're going to type localhost, and it's going to open for us our website, which is PHP form, and then we're going to go to create a new topic. Okay, and or if we go back, we can go to opening the topics. So we're going to open the first topic. You can see here that in this topic we have a number of posts, and the posts can be done here. Now for SQL injection, if we take a look at this part over here, you can notice that there's a that the page is on a PHP, and there's now here a question mark with after that a word, and we all know that in PHP this is a variable. So basically the variable here is 2. Now if we try to change and put 1, you're going to notice that other insertions are coming here, which is Dubai, and if we put like 0, then nothing comes along. So which means that this is basically changing the readings of the page, because we're still on the same page. Now when this is changing the readings of the page, this means that it's definitely reading from a database. So I'm going to go back to 2, and here I have Abu Dhabi again, which means that these are all the topics listed under Abu Dhabi, and 1 is the topics listed under Dubai, and 0 is a topic listed under nothing. Now basically to start our SQL injection, we're going to assume that this ID is actually based on a variable that is placed in a where clause in an SQL statement. So what we're going to do is that we're going to remove the 2 from the ID, or we're just going to leave it, and then we're gonna have it like this, and we're going to make it union with something else. So basically we're going to put this apostrophe here, and then we're going to put this statement, which is union. Alright, let's just write it correctly. So it's going to be union all. Of course, any simple spelling mistake will result in a wrong result. So here we're going to put the words, or this is basically uniting the other table with another table, and it's going to give us a number of results. So here we're going to put name, and then we're going to put description. Okay, we're just going to make sure that the spelling mistakes are correct, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 from product where code is larger from 0. Okay, and then we're gonna, now here we do have a mistake, but let's see if we have other readings here. Notice that now we have a lot of readings, and here we have the products actually coming, which is mouse, computer, printer, so, and monitors. It's true that we do have an error here or a missing, but that doesn't matter, because the reason why we did the attack is to actually read the database, and this is what we did. We united the topics table with the products table, and under a specific where statement, and then we got the result of all the products within the table. Now, if we want to see from where did we get this information, or how did we get this information, we can go to the PHP myadmin, and we're going to take a look at the tables there, just to understand from where we got this table or information exactly. Now here, let's take a look at, this is the database that we're using, and if you can notice that there's a table here called product, and basically this is the form answer. So if we open the product table, you're going to see that there are a number of products here, which is mouse, computer, printer, monitor, and so which means that we showed all the results in this table. Now let's say that I want to see another table. The thing is that what we're going to do is what we can do is just change the name of the table in the SQL statement. And if we want to change the names of the columns and rows, if you can see here, we have code, name, and description, and we can just change the names of the columns or the names of the fields that we want to read from the database. So if we go back to the over here, if we take a look at our SQL statement, we have here union, all, select. This is going to stay the same. So after the variable here, we're going to add one apostrophe, and then we're going to say union all select, and we're going to put the names of the fields, and then after that we're going to say from, and we're going to put the name of the table. So the name of the table and the names of the fields can change according to the table, and the where is where code is larger than 0. Now which one is the code? If we go back here to the PHP myadmin, we notice that this is the code. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So when the code is larger than 0, which means that all of them are going to show, because that is the where statement that we have. Now I want you to try this and give me your feedback.